entering our house. Okay, this is what it looks like from the backyard. So looking at it from here, this is what I like the most, is the fact that the garage is inside. You know what I mean? I don't need to go outside to open my garage. I'll open it from inside. I love that, and it's beautiful. Then here, this is my garden. I don't have a live garden. This is fake one, which I love. I don't have time to be cutting grass. That's lovely. So this is the main house from the back. Okay, now open. Here comes the kitchen and dining. When you come in from this side is the dining, which connects to the garden. Then when you look at it from this way, there's the kitchen. Okay, so this is kitchen and dining connected. So here is where we'll put our washing machine. It's supposed to be our small fridge, but I have long fridge which I will put here, so we'll use here for something else. So yeah, this is for here. And here comes from this door connects to the lounge, which is our sitting room. You can see it's beautiful. Yeah. So right there is our store, our little store. We can keep some things. Yeah, that's our store right there. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Here comes upstairs. So let's go upstairs. There's one thing that is lacking here. We don't have toilets downstairs. It's only one toilet upstairs, which I did not realize until later, because I only viewed this place once and we paid. So we have to make do with that. So this is the toilet, which is beautiful. The toilet. Yeah. Let me on the light. So this is it. Beautiful toilet. Yeah, I like the toilet. And the bathroom. Coming out from the toilet is the smallest room. No, this is not the smallest room. This is the second room. This one will be my girls' room. Yeah, it's not too small, it's not too big though. This is double room. They call it here, double room. It's okay to be enough for them. But I'm thinking about wardrobe. That space here will make a wardrobe for them there. And here, for this room, this is where they put the heater, whatever, in here. And there's some small storage here as well. This is for the girls' room. So coming out from the girls' room, heads to the master's bedroom. This master's bedroom, I won't lie, is very big. Can you see? Let me put on the light so we can see properly. So this is master's bedroom. Yo, this is lovely. This is master's bed. Yeah, it's big enough for me and my husband. It's big enough. This is the biggest room here. This is more than double room. So after that, we get the smallest room. This is for my son. This is the smallest room in the house. Yeah, this is the smallest room, and at least here, I'll make use of here to, create a little wardrobe for him. So this is it, guys. The only thing we don't have here, like I said, that this is what the front house look like. But it's unfortunate we can't park in the front. We have space to park at the back. Yeah, so this is it. this is it. The only thing I'm disappointed is the fact that there's no toilet downstairs for visitors. But apart from that, I'm okay. We don't really have visitors anyway. So it's okay. I'm okay with that. So that's it for now. Okay, so this is it. If you look at it from here. Here.